So we need to simplify the given logarithmic expression. To do that, first let me state a property of logarithm. If we have log of a with a base of b, that we can also express it as log of a divided by log of b, provided both of them have the common base of c. So that means our first term, we have 1 over log of x with a base of 2. So log of x with a base of 2 can be also expressed as log of x divided by log of 2. That means if we take its reciprocal, so 1 over log of x with a base of 2, that will be equals to log of 2 with a base of log of x. Then again, we use a property, then this will become log of 2 with a base of x. The reciprocal of log of x with a base of 2 will be equals to log of 2 with a base of x. Similarly, we can say 1 over log of x with a base of 3, that will be equals to log of 3 with a base of x. So that means our expression now becomes log of 2 with a base of x plus log of 3 with a base of x goes all the way up to log of n with a base of x. Now that we have a common base in each of the logarithm, they can be combined using a property of logarithm, which is log of a plus log of b. Both of them have the same base, that will be equals to log of a times b. This means we have log of 2 multiplied to 3 multiplied to 4 goes all the way up to n with a base of x. Now the product of 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way up to n, that's the n factorial. So this is n factorial, which is given by product of 1, 2, 3, 4 going all the way up to n. Now this can be also expressed as 1 divided by, using the same idea, we can also represent it as log of x with the base of n factorial. Now that means our final result, the simplified value of this given logarithmic expression will be 1 over log of x with a base of n factorial.